Hello, I'm Himali, speech and language therapist for Evelina London Children's Community Speech and Language Services. Today, I'm going to be talking to parents and carers about how to help your child expand on the foods they're willing to explore, touch, smell, and hopefully eat in the future. I'll be demonstrating how you can help your child increase their interest and motivation with new foods. This session today is designed for younger primary children, but many of the ideas work well with nursery-age children as well. Check our page and keep coming back to find videos for other age groups and more ideas. The tip of the week is to show your child that interacting with food can be fun. Many of the children with behavioral feeding difficulties are anxious about trying a new food, and this anxiety can show itself through behaviors such as avoidance, refusal, and so on. If we can show children that food can be interesting and fun, take the pressure off tasting, then they can learn about the food and build up their confidence. Parents and siblings can be great role models for doing this. Please avoid swooping food towards a child's mouth. Instead, show the child how you are having fun exploring food on your plate by touching, smelling, and talking about the food. We will be showing you how to use a visual timetable to help the child know what's happening next. If you would like to join us now with your child, then please get a piece of bread and some cheese. You can pause the video now to do this. We will be showing you a learning plate to put the food on if your child does not want it on a plate that's near them. We will also demonstrate how to model using a cloth to teach the child to wipe their face and hands when they need, as many children don't like having sticky hands. Okay, if you're ready, we can get started. So here's our visual timetable. We're going to have a hello song, wipe hands, trial food 1, trial food 2, and end with cleaning up. Let's say hello to everybody. Welcome to our session. And we will say hello time is finished. Next, we will be wiping our hands. We take a wet wipe and wipe our hands clean. We cross out wiping hands. We have food 1 next. Oh, what have we got here? It's a square and it's white. We can poke holes at it. How fun is this? I think I've made 2 eyes. Oh, look, we've got a mouth now. I can even stick my tongue through it. It's very crumbly. I can sprinkle it everywhere. Food 1 is finished. We can put it away now. And I'm going to use my cloth to wipe my hands. Finished with food 1. Okay, it's time for food 2. Oh, what have we got here? More squares, and they're also white. What can I do with these? 1, 2, I'm building a tower. Going up and up. Oh, it fell over. Here we go. I've got a car. Do you think my car can knock the tower off? Crash! And my car's going to keep going. Beep, 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 beep. It's going up my arms. Oh, It's on my cheek. Do you think it's gonna stick? I'm gonna squish it in. Oh, oh, it's stuck on my face. There we go. I think our food too is finished. My hands are very sticky. I'm going to use my cloth to wipe my hands. Oh, I don't want this food near me anymore. I'm going to put it on my learning plate here. There we go. Wipe my hands again. Right. Food 2 is finished. We're going to do some cleaning up next. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. That's our cleaning up session finished. So, that's the end of our session. How was that? Hope you had fun with your child. You can use your child's interests when you do this at home and use things such as trains and small word play to build up the session. Remember not to push your child to go further towards their face or their mouth unless they're happy to do so. We find that starting with the safe food is helpful, then introducing a new food similar to the safe food can help. Also, dry foods are often easier for children rather than wet, sticky or oily foods. Once your child is used to the routine, you can gradually increase the number of foods that you introduce per session. Some families do this kind of session regularly outside the meal times as structured food play sessions. You can do it at meal times as well, but you need to use a separate small learning plate next to the child to show that they do not have to eat that food. It is just for them to explore and learn about. Thank you very much for joining us. We'll be back here on Wednesday and you can re-watch this video at any time.